A cave radio is a specialized wireless communication system designed to transmit voice and data through solid rock, earth, and water. Standard high frequency radios, like typical walkie talkie or cell phones, are generally useless underground because the surrounding geological materials quickly absorb and block their electromagnetic waves. To overcome this, cave radios rely on alternative propagation methods and specialized equipment, making them essential tools for cave rescue, mining operations, and underground surveying. Because conventional line of sight radio waves cannot penetrate rock, cave communication systems primarily rely on one of two methods. Through the earth signaling. This is the most common true cave radio technology. TTE systems use ultra low frequency, very low frequency, or low frequency waves, typically between 300 Hz and 140 kHz. These extremely long wavelengths can pass straight through hundreds of feet of solid rock strata. Because of the low frequencies, standard antennas are completely impractical. For example, an efficient dipole antenna for an 87 kHz signal would need to be over a mile long. Instead, TTE systems use alternative antenna designs. Magnetic loop antennas. These are large coils made of multiple turns of copper wire, often built into a frame about a meter in diameter. When driven by a transmitter, the loop generates a magnetic near field that travels through the rock and is picked up by a similar receiver loop on the surface. Earth arrays. This involves running a pair of wires along the cave floor in opposite directions, each ending in a grounded electrode such as a metal peg driven into mud or water. This setup injects an electrical current directly into the earth, which is detected by a corresponding array above the ground. High frequency mesh and repeater systems. Instead of trying to punch a signal through solid rock, some modern systems route high frequency, that is VHF or UHF signals along the cave passages. Since these frequencies require a line of sight and cannot travel around solid corners, cavers lay down a breadcrumb trail of automated relay boxes, often called repeaters or digipeters, at every major bend in the cave. Systems using technologies like LoRa, that is long range low power data, or APRS, automatic packet reporting system, can bounce text messages and location data from node to node until the signal reaches the cave entrance. Primary applications. Cave rescue. In an emergency, maintaining a reliable real-time communication link between an underground rescue team and surface support is critical. Mining. Cave radios are used to relay voice and sensor data from deep tunnels. TTE systems are vital safety tools in mines because their low frequency signals can often still reach the surface even if a collapse or explosion destroys the physical communication cables. Surveying and exploration. Cavers use portable magnetic loop radios not just for talking but for radio location as well. By tracking the precise orientation and strength of the magnetic field generated underground, surface teams can accurately map the cave's exact location and depth.